How to add Zoho to Shopify. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the app store of Shopify, and then simply search for Zoho. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on this one here. As you can see, Zoho Sync by CRM perks. Or if you want, you can simply, so let's go with the free one. So this one here, and it should be, as you can see, from them. So simply click on install. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply configure and connect your Zoho account. So click again on install. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply go here. So let's see. So as you can see here, we have entries, everything here, the data. So let's go home here. And we're gonna have to go to settings, and then we're gonna have to simply log in into our account and click on submit, and basically all the information will be imported here. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching, guys.